Hello, my name is Mr. Allegra. I'm going to show you how to get to your cluster's homework webpage without too much hassle, so don't freak out. Let's just pretend I'm in 7th grade and I'm in cluster 3 and I forgot Miss Fatanity's homework. All I do is I start on a basic toolbar page where I can search. So I'm going to search the Watertown Middle School to start. I want to make sure that I add the abbreviation MA for Massachusetts at the end of my search, so I'm not looking up every Watertown Middle School in the whole country, possibly the whole universe. I click on Return. This should bring me up to Google's latest searches. When I get past the directions in the website pages, I see that Watertown Public Schools pops up. I click it. This brings me to the Watertown Public Schools of Massachusetts webpage. This includes every school and all the information within our one district. I'm going to click on Schools, and I'm going to find the Watertown Middle School site. Within this site, we have a toolbar at the top with a couple tabs. I'm interested in school information, and I go directly to Classrooms and Directory. Within the Classroom and Directories pages, there are web page links. I'm going to scroll down to my cluster, Cluster 3, and it should pop up what today's homework was. Oh geez, I have a project packet for the outsiders to complete, but I don't have to do the themes section. All right, I got that in my bag. I'm all good. Remember, any of the clusters can be found on the web page that we searched for. Even homework for ESL, LSP, ISP, in reading classes. Thanks.